Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access Google Calendar inside VIM. Okay, so essentially it is a plugin. If you install that VIM plugin, it will allow you to access Google Calendar inside VIM. So without further ado, let me get into my VIM. I have opened a clean buffer. Okay, I haven't binded a key, just to show you the commands you can use. So it is pretty ordinary stuff to bind a key with that command. Okay, all you have to do inside VIM, once that plugin is installed and you follow the instruction which I'll show you. Okay, so how to follow along. So because it requires kind of Google authentication to play forward and back. Okay, so first give you some sort of glimpse how it look like. Go to the EXPOM, write calendar, look at the bottom of the screen, the C should be capital. Okay, press enter. See, this is my Google Calendar. You can see the entry on date 28, today's date. I just did it few minutes back. Okay, so and you can add event, like if I go tomorrow. Okay, simple 8JKL to move. Simple thing. Okay, so if I add, all I have to do capital E. Okay, then if I write, it would be, look at the bottom of the screen, it would be a blast to get Vim do this. Okay, press enter. See, and it is, mind you, once you made the synchronized authentication with the Gmail or your calendar, Gcal, the operation will be seamless. That means it's synchronized to your task as well as in Vim. You understand, right? The moment you add an entry or subtract an entry here, it will get propagated to Google Calendar simultaneously. Okay, so to dismiss this event window, just press escape and it will go away. Okay, and you can see on 29, whatever the event I have entered is get entered in a particular date. Likewise, you can do the task, right? If you goes to induct a task, all you have to do, capital T, look at the right hand side of the screen. There is a default task list which I have already pre-filled few minutes back while experimenting. Okay, to add a task, simple Vim key, because it is inside Vim, just press O and look at the bottom of the screen. I just press O, that means it's bound to add the task in the below of the existing line. First of all, it is prompting you bottom of the screen, look at that task. This is a new task for demo. If I press enter, and it will take some time to propagate, all you have to do, see, you can see it is there. So to toggle the task window, all you have to do, capital T. See, If I press Shift T or capital T, the task window appear and go away. See? Okay. Likewise, you can add with the VIM key. You can add task with O or capital O to add task up on the top, normal O to add the task on the bottom. Okay, you can use same HJKL key to move along in the task. Okay, so if I do Shift T, that is toggled hidden. Okay, likewise the event window is similar. Capital E is bring up the event window. Pressing the capital E again, it will hide the event window. Okay, here my cursor is on 29 of, that is tomorrow, right? If I wanted to insert something, just press I, look at the bottom of the screen. It is prompting me for the event. This will be yet another event to enter in the calendar. Okay, press enter and it will going to induct in there. See? You can use normal VIM key inside this calendar. Okay, to get a help at any time, just press question mark. There is a nice pop-up will come and it will tell you what you are supposed to do. Okay, you need to induct this line in your VMRC as stated. This line what I have highlighted and this line which I have in my VMRC. Likewise, you should have in your VMRC as the plugin author mentioned for the reason. Okay, or if you wanted to know, this is a standard command to see the help about the calendar. Okay, so and you can see the basic operations are the basic key combination what I have shown to you is given here. Okay, see, so you can move between the views and there are plethora of things you can do. Okay, so to dismiss this help window, press question mark again, so it goes away. To get to the today's window, just press T. See, my cursor moved from 29 tomorrow to today on 28. Okay, just by pressing T. Alright, so to open the help, all you have to do, go to the EX prompt. Normal, you have to write help calendar. See, this is the help. If you wanted to decide that you want to use this, please go through this help page, which is not quite big and very informative, clear and precise. I have done so, that's why I'm telling you. If I haven't done so, I wouldn't have asked you to do that, because it's a one-time matter. If you scan through this page patiently once, most of the things come to you by default. Okay, so you don't have to struggle enough. So this is the functions what you are seeing, which has been defined inside these are the keystroke, detailed keystroke, which time to time you might hop on just to look into a specific thing on the calendar. Okay, it is very well written. I don't think it will be a big problem you people to grabs on this. Okay, so you don't have to go out of Vim and do other stuff. I know a lot of people do CalCarts. I personally use CalCarts. It's a wonderful system. But doing something inside Vim, which will give you some sort of convenience, right? We are thriving for convenience. So this is one of the way to install this plugin. You simply installed, and see, this is very clearly explained how you could have done all this stuff. So and there is a troubleshooting section. If you come across something uncanny, you can refer back to this particular troubleshooting section, which might help you to clear out all the confusion. So you simply have to clone this repo from GitHub, and it has to go to a whatever your package manager is. Okay, then you have to follow their package manager instruction, and that's all. And you need to induct to stuff what I said in your vimrc to get a better action related to your Google Calendar, right? So this troubleshooting section will give you so much of information. If you spend one time, these two, I'm highlighting again, these two has to be mentioned in your vimrc as the author says. If you follow along, it is pretty darn simple. Only the difficult part, if it is at all difficult, I don't think it will be difficult. All you have to do, you have to go to the GCP console, okay, Google Cloud Console, where you have to create a app specific authentication, because this plugin will authenticate against the Google Calendar. So there is a way to do that, and that is happened through GCP. There is a clear-cut explanation. See, your stuff will be reside here, okay, and it is local, so you don't have to be worried about it. Okay, so you can go, and I'll give you the link in the description section below, so you can go and use this particular URL. I'll give you that. Oh, this is issue. Okay, I'll give you the URL of the actual plugin in GitHub, so you can go through that. I think this is very handy to access your calendar inside Vim. It's a fantastic way. So I hope this will be useful to some people. At least it is useful to me. So that's why I'm making this video, to make you aware, so you might give it a shot. Okay, thanks for watching.